Welcome back to the build. Today, I'm going to go over the installation and my thoughts on the Centaflex hinge. So stay tuned. The Centaflex hinge is a PVC hinge that acts like a hurricane hinge, but has no metal. Here's a look at the range you can expect from the hinge. Closed position to open, approximately 90 degrees. Alright, here's the test fit of the Centaflex hinge. If you'd like to see how it works, it just hinges like so. I had to sand the inside of this a little bit so it wouldn't rub on both sides. So now we're gonna put a couple screws in it to hold it in place, and then we'll come take it off. Alright, since I'm worried about bolts breaking off, I decided to go with number 10 riv nuts and machine screws. I'm gonna have to take this thing on and off a couple times, and I don't want to break the bolts. For now, I'm just gonna put 5. I think that should be strong enough. If not, I can always come back and add more before I glue it in place. Alright, this is what the hinge looks like in place. And the door attaches to this face. And when it's folded down flush, it looks like this. There's quite a bit of pressure in this hinge. So we're gonna have to have a good door latch to hold everything down. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Nowhere for water to go. When we install it for the last time, we'll put a bead of caulk underneath it. There it is. The overall look of the hinge is quite nice. You can see on the corners here there's some slight deflection from the struts pushing up on the hatch. I don't think it's going to be a problem. The hinge has been on here for 6 months at least. This side lays pretty flat. Here it is in the open position. Now the hinge can be ordered directly from the vendor, but I ordered a 2-meter piece off of eBay for approximately $100. I definitely like the look of this hinge better than a metal hurricane hinge. Time will tell how to hold up, but it's supposed to last about 50,000 opens and closes, so I don't foresee it being a problem. If you're looking for more information on this hinge, I will link the product in the description below. If you'd like to stay up to date on the project, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out this next video.